I just got back from the local Epcon community and I've got to say I was truly amazed. These communities are all about lifestyle. By creating fewer homes in a single community, they can really concentrate on creating that close-knit neighborhood feel. And by typically tucking these neighborhoods off from any main streets, you really feel like you're away from all the hustle and bustle of the city, but still close enough to enjoy it at any time you wish. Then there are these beautiful new homes. Most are built around a courtyard design, which draws the outside in. These seasonal living spaces really help create that staycation feel just steps away from your door. With square footage ranging from roughly 1,500 to over 3,000 square feet, you are sure to find the right size home for your changing needs. Although most offer the advantage of a single-story living, some communities do offer basements and bonus suites to fit any lifestyle, such as accommodating large family gatherings, overnight guests, or returning college students. Of course, they have modern open floor plans and are highly appointed with all of the latest gourmet kitchen features and spa-like master baths. But my favorite part about these homes is that the exterior is maintenance-free, which means no more mowing, raking, or shoveling, allowing you to enjoy your new home and all the fun this neighborhood has to offer, rather than working on it. In my view, there just comes a time in your life when yard work and upkeep are just not as much fun as they once were. Plus, the fact that these homes are brand new means they include all of the latest energy-saving features, which ultimately translate to you saving money on your monthly energy bills. Epcon's maintenance-free homes may just be the perfect solution for you. Really, isn't it about time for you to live the life that you've always wanted? Epcon Communities, where life comes together. So for more information on everything Epcon Communities has to offer, be sure to check out epconcommunities.com.